Hi, I haven't taken you around the shop. It's a big mess, so I don't want to hear any comments about it. I just took this Honda head in. I'm going to put it in the wash. Got to get this rocker off. I just took the bolts out of it. The rocker shaft in now. One in the wash. Surface in there for the surfacing them. The guy's going to do his own shit. There's the other head. We're doing surface. We're not rebuilding this thing at all. So I'm just going to wash it off. Hey, okay, so we're going to test this head that we're not rebuilding. I have a tester here. It's vacuum. Let's it know if the valves are sealing. Good. 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 Now we're going to do the exhaust. Good. 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 This one's got the EGR. David, hold me. Hold me, David. And it's good. So now we're just going to go ahead and surface it. So here we go. Okay, hey, now we're going to surface it. We got this precision file. What we do is we surface the whole thing with a customer. I'm just fucking kidding. So we're going to put these studs in it. Washers on there. So it's just nice against the plate. Stop. Okay, got the machine. David's gonna surface it. Come on, David. We'll put you on time lapse so you're not bored of watching us. We're all done. Got to get it out. Give it a little bath. It all came out pretty good. Like I said, we gotta wash it off, but this is it. The guy is on the budget. All he can afford to do is surface it. The valves are sealing, so it's gonna run for him and get him back on the road. All right, thanks for watching.